It's time to get serious about creativity. It's time to get serious about creativity.
Art class is more important than ever. It's not just about hand turkeys and macaroni picture frames. Art changes the learning environment to one of discovery and teaches us kids the most important skill of the 21st century, creativity. Why is creativity so important?
The world has been moving faster than ever, and the future has never been crazier.
When I grow up, half the jobs I might apply for don't even exist yet. What good is it if I can solve problems and follow directions when nobody even knows what the directions are? The future is unpredictable. The future is crazy.
The future of our society. It depends on us kids. Especially our creativity.
But I don't think our schools got the memo. Instead of feeding us creative juices, they take them away from us when budgets are tight. Did you know that 9 in 10 public elementary schools have no dance or drama teacher? And 3 in 10 have no art teacher at all? And instead of art classes, schools are dedicating more time than ever to standardized tests. Or, as I like to call them, creativity zapping monsters. Do we look like we can be standardized? What's it going to take to get people to realize that the future depends more than anything else on
my creativity? My creativity. My creativity.
That's why we started Right Side Shirts. Our mission is to empower young artists and be advocates for creativity in their schools. We think kids are the most creative people on the planet, so naturally, they design everything we sell, like this shirt here by Calvin. But we also think that schools don't cultivate this creativity enough, so we donate 100% of our profits directly back to the designer school to fund art programs and art supplies. Join us, help us spread creativity, and bring arts education to kids everywhere.